Hello guys, this is Anastasia. I'm in a beautiful place in Hermosa Beach, and this video is not planned. I just decided to record it to let you know what's going on. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for all messages, letters, feedback you sent me recently asking what's going on, why I'm not posting as much as I used to. Reason for that is that few days ago I have few Instagram accounts. One of them is for Nails Pro Academy, which is my online school in English, and another one is for my Russian school. So two of the accounts were deleted. First we thought maybe they were banned or hacked or something like that. Then yesterday I was working on my new video for this channel, and when I tried to save it, I couldn't. It just showed an error which said the video was deleted. And then I go to my channel and see that the last update was 1 year ago. And I'm like, wow, why is that? About 50 videos from the last 3 to 4 months, oh, here comes the sun, were deleted. What happened, it wasn't a virus or a hacker as I thought first. It was just a person who had an access to my Instagram and YouTube. This is what happened. Luckily, with the Nails Pro Academy account, we got it back through the support. With the YouTube, I contacted their support, and they said, unfortunately, if the video was deleted manually, we cannot restore them. But I have copies of most of the videos that I'm posting, so luckily I have all of them. So my question to you, I just wanted to ask for your advice. Do you think I should re-upload them? Because for some videos like Halloween video or summer video, it would not really make sense to post them now because it's kind of not the right time anymore. I believe some videos are really useful, like maybe you watched it recently. I posted 8 reasons why nails break, like explaining the reasons why do nails break, how it happens, how to avoid it, and many others. So do you think I should re-upload most of them, like slowly? Also live streams that I had, unfortunately I don't have exactly their copies. I have copies of the edited versions, but not the actual live streams, which is really sad and heartbreaking for me. But most of all, what I regret is that all the comments, all feedback is lost forever. Like, you know, when I post some video, there was the video where I explained the differences of Russian nail technicians. It was a requested video, and we had such an interesting discussion in the comments section. So unfortunately, this cannot be restored. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to share to let you know what's going on. The lessons I learned from it is, first of all, keep your account secured. Make sure you change your passwords every month or 2 months. Also be careful when you share access. And third lesson, probably just for me, is that I definitely need to upgrade my skill of getting people better, getting to know people better, you know, because I really trust people so easily, you know, I'm really easygoing, I believe, and probably I should be more careful about that. I already had many videos that were not published yet, planned for future publishing, as I always do it in advance. Like now when I'm travel, I usually don't have time for editing, for recording, so, you know, I did it all in advance. It will take a while I get them back, but I still have some new videos coming up. And once again, I just wanted to say thank you, and I'm definitely just going to work more and push harder, because if someone so desperately wants to take my hard work, you know, to simply break it down, that probably means that I'm doing something right. I mean, that's something that makes other people mad. I guess it's like that. Thank you guys so much for being with me. That's it, and I will see you soon with a more useful and exciting videos. Bye bye.